Keep watching to see how I get the perfect perm rod set.
My thing is though, you need a setup. You can't just do this for hours straight and you would just be bored. Girl, I suggest you just get a laptop or a phone and just watch something while you do this. You know what I'm saying? Honestly though, and before you even think about doing all of this, make sure your hair is moisturized. But anyways, enough said. Let me show you my tips and tricks how to get a perfect perm rod set out. Let's just spray your hair. It really matters that your hair is detangled already before you even started. I like to separate my hair into individual bantu knots, and then each bantu knot would be like where a perm rod would go. If you have hair paint wax, I'm using gray because like I did blue last time and now I'm feeling gray. Now get your Eco Styler gel and put it only where you won't put your hair paint wax. Get your denim brush, brush through, make sure it's smooth, no bumps, no nothing. I don't know, whatever. Okay, so now you see that I just rolled it, right? There's a method, homie. There's a method. Shh, shh. Let me teach you. Shh, shh, shh. Let me teach you. Okay, now, girl, twist the wrist, roll up, boom. 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 And you just keep doing it, man. Even make a song out of it. Make a song. Make a song out of it. Okay. Twist your wrist, roll up, boom. Twist the wrist, roll up, boom. At the tips of your hair, you just straight roll up. Then you get to a point, then you twist and roll up. I'm really tired, so bear with me. Coming up with these tips and tricks. I love how people that use hair paint wax and are like, I can get like 3 more uses out of this. But like, honestly guys, the drying process is gonna be insane. You know why? Because the last time I did this, when you guys do this, and like you got some of your tips from me, bro, like send me a picture so I can hype you up. Bruh. And guess what? It's our last one. It's our last one. It's our last one. I got so many offers planned for the search style. Now I make up ideas for you guys. Anyways. Now get your gel and put it on your. You can tell I'm really happy because like this is my last one, bro. This is my last one, and I started when it was like 6. Now start from the bottom and work yourself up. Don't be fighting with your hair. Your hair didn't do nothing to you. Boom, straight, glisten, glisten. Unravel your masterpiece, guys. Yo, y'all can't say nothing. Okay, yo. Oh my goodness, wait till my grandma sees this and my mom and my dad. They're gonna be like, I low-key wanted to prank my mom and be like, Mom, I permanently dyed my tips. But like, she already knows this product, so I couldn't prank her. No, the first time when I put blue in my hair, she low-key was like, what is that? No, honestly, I wanted to prank her and be like, oh, I put in dye in my hair, but like my mother's tone of voice, I got scared really quick. So I was like, it's fake, mom, it's temporary. Like it washes out when I, like, homegirl, I buckled down real fast. Good, so good, so good, so good. Just wait till I get beat. Or at least take care of my face, because my face is looking kind of. But, put some oil on your fingertips and split it as much as it can split. Never force it to split. Now, grab the root of your hair, voluntarily split while twirling my other hand. Yeah, I say usually things ain't what they used to be. Whenever you come around, it's always confusing thing. Yeah. I represent the Lord in everything and every blessing, every woman, every child, every mistake that I done. Feel that I am reborn because you sacrificed a son. I lost a couple rounds, but the battle ain't done. You take 10% of everything.
Bro, I'm sharing secrets out here. Secrets.
Only thing that matters how you dressing, but really you just look odd dressing up your ego when you say it's fine. Sunday best, more like you confess that you need to dress.
Non. Suivez-moi, suivez-moi.
Chez vous, vous me regardez?
Oui.
Ah,
yeah! Hey!
It's always confusing things. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching me. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial.